Very good morning, all. Uh, Today's topic is algorithm. This is lecture 1 of unit 2. So, in this lecture, we discuss about algorithms. What is the definition of algorithm? Algorithm can be defined as a sequence of activities to be processed for getting desired output from a given input. That means we need an output for a given input. So we used to follow the algorithm. A formula or set of steps for solving a particular problem to be an algorithm, a set of rules must be unambiguous and have a clear stopping point. There may be more than one way to solve a problem, so there may be more than one algorithm for a problem. These are some points. uh, Getting a specified output is essential after algorithm is executed. Second one is one will get output only if algorithm is stopped after finite time. And last one is activities in an algorithm to be clearly defined. In other words, for it to be unambiguous. Before writing an algorithm for a problem, one should find out what is the input to the algorithm and what is expected output. Actually, we work for expected output in the algorithm. So, in the algorithm, we use some special sign and symbols. While writing an algorithm, we will use following symbol for different operations like plus for addition, minus for subtraction, and many more. This is an example. What is the problem? Write an algorithm to read two numbers and find their sum input to the algorithm. First number, second number, expected output sum of the two number. Means we are giving two inputs like input 1 and input 2, and the our output is the sum of the input. So these are the steps of algorithm. In step 1, first is start. Second, in the second step, read input the first number. In third one is read input the second number. In the fourth step, two numbers are added in this step. And the fifth step, we print the sum of the values. And last step is end the algorithm. So this is the whole process to generate an algorithm. These are some properties of an algorithm like finiteness, definiteness, input, output, and effectiveness. In the finiteness, an algorithm must always terminate after a finite number of steps. It means after every step, one reach closer to solution of the problem. And after a finite number of steps, algorithm reaches to an endpoint. What is definiteness? Definiteness, each step of an algorithm must be defined. It is done by uh, action, well thought action to be performed at each step of the algorithm. Input and operation you perform needs some beginning values associated with different activities in the operation. So the value are given to the algorithm before it begins. Output, one always expect output, expected values in terms of output form and algorithm. The result may be obtained at different stages of the algorithm. If some result is from the intermediate stage of the operation, then it is known as intermediate result. And result obtained at the end of algorithm is known as the actual result. Last one is effectiveness. Algorithm to be developed using basic operations. Actually, operations should be basics, so that even they can, in principle, to be done exactly and in a finite amount of time by a person by using paper and pencil only. So this is the whole about algorithm. Uh, if you see the question, what is an algorithm, or define the concept of algorithm, so you need to define these all slides. So this is today's topic. Thank you.